Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out this new mini folding EDC knife from CIVIVI. This is the Mini Shakan. Ow, ow. Let's check it out. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from CIVIVI and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at CIVIVI for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with some quick size references just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. And now with the blade open, just about the same length as that. And let's take some rough measurements here with the blade closed, coming in at just about 3.5 inches. And now with the blade open, looks like we got just about 5 3/4 inches. Here's a look at them vertically side by side so you can compare the thickness of the pen next to the knife. And now with the blade open, let's have a look at the top of the knife here, just so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. So here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side, and it looks to be just about the same size as that. Let's have a look at the thickness of this blade over in the thumb ramp area, and it looks to be just about the same thickness as a US nickel. Let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. Coming in at 2 ounces. Man, that is light. And just in case you're wondering what 2 ounces is going to feel like in your pocket, well, if you got some US quarters in your house, weighs almost as much as 10 of those. Alright, this knife is going to be available in 4 different colors. There's like a slate blue with Damascus steel. Then there's a really hot red with black stonewash. Then you got a black aluminum with satin finish. And there's this coyote brown with satin finish. This knife has 3 different opening mechanisms. The first one is this flipper lever. They give you a little bit of jimping up here, and all I got to do is pull it back. And just as with most flipper lever knives, once you pull back on that lever, it's going to rotate around to the bottom and act as a finger guard. Next up, we've got these gorgeous dual thumb studs. And all you got to do is dig your thumb in right where that thumb groove is and just rotate that blade around. Or you can just use the tension of the detent in there and just flick it open. And if you wanted to, you can utilize the push button lock as a way to open the blade. You just got to push it down, flick it open, and release it at the same time. The opening action on this knife is incredibly quick, crisp, and smooth. The blade is rotating on CIVIVI's cage ceramic ball bearing system. Push button lock is only on the left side of the frame. And let me show you what that looks like. So as the blade is swinging around, there's this notch right here, and it's going to slide just like that, right underneath that bar. To release the blade, you just push it in, and it falls freely. Let's have a look up front at the blade, starting off over in the thumb ramp area. Have a look at that jimp in there. I'm going to tip it sideways so you can see just how tall those peaks are. All right, you can actually feel that nice and flush with the frame. And there's a look at the thickness of the steel drop point blade. So that thickness pretty much is going to stay the same all the way down to the point. Beautiful drop point blade. As mentioned before, this is a satin finish. Big old sharpening choil down here that's going to help you sharpen that entire blade from the tip down to the heel. And just a perfect example of a full flat grind. No curvature here. Completely flat. And of course, we got that nice big belly for slicing. Steel type being used is Nitro V. Nitro V has about 13% chromium, so your corrosion resistance is going to be pretty good. You're going to have decent edge retention, good toughness. And in general, Nitro V is a very easy to sharpen and maintain steel. And as we're going to see, it takes a nice sharp edge. Going to bring you guys in nice and close so you can admire the beautiful milling they've done on these aluminum handles. Look at how this ripple pattern just picks up the light. Nice clean lines on the beveling around the edges. Look at how that picks up the light. Well done. Let's have a look down inside of the knife here, and we can see that there is no additional lining. Here they've used these aluminum handles as the lining, and that really saves on weight. I'm going to flip you guys around to have a look at the rear of the knife. Just got standoffs here. That gives it a nice pass-through effect. Let's talk about the grip dynamics, how this knife feels in your hand. This is a mini knife, so it's going to be small. Pretty much neutral, flat on the top, flat on the bottom here, with just a single finger groove in the front. So one up front, two in the back. That third finger is probably going to be hanging off for most of us. Incredibly lightweight, and it just feels like it wants to slice. Here's a quick look at your pocket clip. There's a profile. You can see that's going to be real deep carry. It's reversible to the other side, and this will be tip-up carry only. Here's what this knife is going to look like when you jam it down in your pocket. It's just going to basically disappear. All right, let's do some cutting and see how sharp this factory edge is. I got some paper here. Whew, smooth. Let's try it on some 550 paracord. No problem. Let's try it on some cardboard. Easily done. Once again, guys, this has been the Mini Shakan from CIVIVI. Thin, lightweight, it's going to be really easy to carry in the pocket. And not to mention, this thing is incredibly gorgeous. Look at this thing. If you're looking for a new EDC knife, this could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from CIVIVI, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.